Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. Are now checking out from the hotel of Geneva and moving towards Interlaken. So we'll need to take a train. We have the Swiss pass with us, so we will go to the airport station and then take the train from there to Interlaken. And once we board the train, we will come back. Come to the train station. This is just next to the airport. So there are two stations. One is at the airport and one is in the city center. As we were staying near the airport, so we opted for this, and we're entering the train station. This is the train that will take us to Bern, and post Bern we'll take another train to Interlaken OST. So guys, we have reached Interlaken Coast. Now we'll move towards the hotel, drop our luggage and then move ahead. So we have reached our hotel, Happy Mag Resort Interlaken, and see the view from the hotel. This is one part of the room. Look at the view. Just look at the view. We have a small balcony as well where we can enjoy our evening tea. Has a small little kitchen area. One washroom, the second washroom, and another bedroom. We are all very excited because it is a huge apartment, and we're loving it. We're loving it. So that is our hotel. Just look straight. This is our hotel, and just in front of that is the ground where all the paragliders land. And look at the view. Happy people all around. It's just beautiful. In fact, सही बताऊँ तो शब्द ही नहीं है. There's no words to explain the beauty. मेरे को नहीं पता कि कैमरा कितना कैप्चर कर रहा है beauty, but I can tell you it is really beautiful. सुबह जल्दी आए थे तो सोचा थोड़ा सा पेट पूजा कर लें. So we went towards the bus station and we heard that there was one Indian restaurant there. तो वहाँ जाके कुछ ट्राई ही किया जाए. So we started walking and seeing the beautiful Interlaken. This is the Interlaken Ost bus station. यहाँ पर आपको Coop मिल जाएगा, which is a very well-known supermarket. It also has one Indian shop which serves you samosa, which is Sharma ji ka special samosa. So let's see what's there inside and try the samosa in Switzerland. खाने के बाद there was a church nearby and we thought we'll pay a visit to the church and it was beautiful. So after some travel, we are having an ice cream, Mövenpick, which is one of the best ice creams of Switzerland. So Sheetal is having the ice cream. It is absolutely amazing. इतना सुंदर जगह मैंने कभी अपने लाइफ में नहीं देखा है. And can you look at the golden light falling on the mountain? The sun is setting and it is beautiful. View from our hotel room night. Look at the moon. It is beautiful. It is 8 o'clock there right now. I hope you are liking the video और मेरा drone shot. That was my first drone shot and this is Jannat. मतलब video cannot describe the beauty of this location. It is really beautiful and we are enjoying to the fullest. Life में एक बार स्विट्जरलैंड आना है. That is a must for everybody. Hope you're enjoying. We will now move out for our dinner and then probably also look at the Yash Raj statue and then probably come back because tomorrow morning we need to move very early for the Jungfrau mountain top and once we move for the dinner I'll come back. So post taking our dinner, इंडियन खाना मिल गया था, दाल चावल खा के now we moved out again. So there is a casino here. You can visit this casino and there is also Yash Raj ji ka statue. We'll take some picture here and this is the casino. You can see. Zoom it. Good morning guys. So we are back to our second day of Interlaken. कल हम रात में कैसीनो गए, थोड़ा लक ट्राई किया, कैपिटल इंटैक्ट and we are back and now it is early morning, it is 7 o'clock. We are taking the good morning train to the highest peak of Interlaken, which is your Jungfrau, and it starts at 7:35 from the Interlaken Ost station and we'll take the train up and then change. So जैसे जैसे हम change करेंगे आपको बताते जाएंगे कि कैसे किस direction से जाना है. So we'll take from the Interlaken and and get down towards the Lauterbrunnen, so that we take a round trip, so that we see everything which is there in the Jungfrau region. So this is the view in the morning. It is the sun is not yet out, but ठंडा है. It is currently 11 degrees here, and ऊपर में जाके people are saying that it will be around 2-3 degrees. So enjoy the views till then, and we'll come back once we take the train. So we started our journey inside this train, and we are now going to the Grindelwald terminal. From there we take another train, and look at the views of the train. This is the train which goes towards the Grindelwald station, and from there we'll take another train. Got down at Ice Glacier, and now we're moving towards our next stop. This was the train through which we came. We're going over the terminal for the next station. Look at the view. These are the ticket counters. We'll be taking the Eiger Express, you see. We are now in the Eiger Express. All of us are sitting on the gondola. So we got down, now moving down towards the view area. Now we are at the Eiger Glacier station. We've taken the train to Jungfrau. The entire train hopefully goes from the cave, and मतलब आप सोचो कि इतना बड़ा माउंटेन के बीच में एक केव बनाया है जिसमें टनल के अंदर से ट्रेन जा रहा है. It will only take 10 minutes probably to reach the top of the Europe, which is Jungfrau. This is the viewing station, and ice all around. Come to the top of Europe, Jungfrau. The train took almost like 11-12 minutes to reach the top of Europe. अब समय था व्यूइंग गैलरी में जाने का. सो वी स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग. हमको एक लिफ्ट लेना था ऊपर जाने के लिए. सो वी टुक द लिफ्ट एंड वी रीच्ड द टॉप. यहाँ से सीढ़ी लेके वी हैव टू गो 1 floor अप, एंड वहाँ पहुँचने के बाद you will be able to see the views of Jungfrau. Luckily for us, it was a beautiful weather. नहीं तो normally यहाँ पर आने से people are not able to see the views of the mountain, but हमको आज के दिन में एकदम sunny day मिला था and it was crystal clear everything. The views were beautiful. You can see ice, snow all around, mountains, and we were enjoying to the fullest. This is Jungfrau top, and this is the highest mountain of the Europe. Now we are moving towards Alpine Station and look at the views. It is looking stunning. These are people who got injured during the construction. This is made in memory of those injured workers. This is the highest altitude karst cave in Europe, 3,482 meters. This is the cave. We did the Jungfrau Joch, and it is 11,333 feet above the sea level. This is a feat that we achieved and we are proud of that. I, Avni, Sheetal, all three of us did that, and we are really proud of ourselves because coming to this altitude is difficult. The oxygen level comes down, but yes, we did it. So you come towards the plateau. It is a UNESCO World Heritage. We are on the plateau full of ice. Avni is playing with ice. Hope you enjoyed the ice and the mountains. Now we'll be going back through the train and to the station of Lauterbrunnen. This is the Lindt chocolate factory. Moving back. We've come to the Eiger Glacier station from Jungfrau, and यहाँ से we will move to a station called Klein Sklettorp. This, I hope I'm pronouncing it well. I'll write it down, the name. So if somebody wants to get down here, can get down, take a view of the entire mountain ranges, and also there's a restaurant where you can sit and eat, which has an open balcony type wherein you can actually go and eat the food, but we are going down to Lauterbrunnen, so we'll continue with our journey. Look at this view and eyes on the building top. We now come to the station of Klinsekkvik. I hope I'm pronouncing it well. It is such picturesque view. The Swiss Alps are visible completely from here. Beautiful view. Just beautiful view. The station of Klinsekkvik. So you can see this name of the station, Klinsekkvik, and the valleys. We're now waiting for our train to Lauterbrunnen. This will come from the station, so waiting for it. Now once this comes in another 10 minutes, we'll board that and reach Lauterbrunnen and show you the beauty of Lauterbrunnen. We have taken the train for Lauterbrunnen and see the Swiss Alps. Isn't this beautiful? These trains have huge windows. And obviously there's a ticket checker as well. Avni is completely sleepy. So we've arrived at the Lauterbrunnen station and you can see the train through which we came. It was a scenic train. The views were excellent. So now let's explore Lauterbrunnen. City of Lauterbrunnen. Look at those houses. They're looking so beautiful. Right, you can see how beautiful is Lauterbrunnen. And we're going towards the waterfall, which is 15 minutes away from the station. You can also take a bus, which is 141 number bus, 141, and that'll take you to that waterfall. Look at this village, beautiful. This is the village of Lauterbrunnen. Such a beautiful village. So this is the Staubeck waterfall in Lauterbrunnen. It is looking beautiful. The church, the bells are ringing on that, such divine moments. Mountains in one side and waterfall on the other side. Lauterbrunnen village. Look at the white water coming down the mountains. Pure white water coming down the mountains, and this is Switzerland.
It's crystal clear water. This is like my good.
So we've started our journey towards Interlaken, our hotel, and look at this flow of water. This is all flowing down from the mountains. This is so beautiful. So guys, after coming to the Interlaken Most, we did some shopping from the Coop, which is a supermarket as I told you earlier, and then we went, had some tea. Now we are there in the Interlaken near a hotel, और यहाँ पर यशराज जी का फोटो है, which I'll just show you, so that this is a kind of a thing which a lot of Indians would relate to, and it is being dedicated by the Switzerland government because of DDLJ, as everybody know. And there's a casino also, which we went yesterday, and you guys know. So ये एकदम exactly यहीं पर है, and we'll now take some pics here, and post it we will go back to our hotel, take some rest because आज सुबह बहुत जल्दी start किया था, so we'll take some rest, and कल हम जा रहे हैं लुसर्न में, and once we start our journey I'll come back. So guys, take care, good evening from Switzerland, Interlaken, and enjoy your day. Guys, if you are liking the video, please give a thumbs up in the comment section, and also like the videos, share the videos with your friends and family, so that they also understand how to come to Europe and what are the things that they can do. And if somebody is new watching this video, do subscribe to our channel so that you get updated for all the new videos which comes up. So guys, till we meet tomorrow, ciao.